Hi friend, welcome back to my fall decorating series. I'm so excited to show you how I gave my front porch a little fall makeover. It was super easy and I think you're gonna love it. Okay, so here is my front porch. I did purchase these benches off of Amazon and created a little seating area here. There's my front door. I have these two chairs that I have had forever, and then some plants in the corner. So usually I like to hang a little something on the brick wall there beside the door, on each side of the window, something on the little tables. And I found this little wagon at an estate sale, and I had flowers there in the summertime, and now I think I'm going to use it for pumpkins. Okay, for now, let's go ahead and start right here with these two chairs and the table. This is the house that I got at Goodwill, and I just went ahead and put one of those orange sunflowers and my fall bows. I have a couple ideas for this little house when Halloween gets a little closer too. But for now, I'm going to put it right here. Now I feel like we need some little something in the front. Let me see what I have. I think that's a little too big. Let's try our little scarecrow. I'd like to have a little plaque or something here, but I can't think of one that I have. I was really hoping that the Welcome Autumn would work, but it's a little too tall in here. Let me try a couple other things. I do have this little pumpkin. It is hard. I don't have to worry about the weather destroying it. So let's see what it looks like there. I think that's okay, but I want to add one more finishing touch. A little scarecrow. I think it looks really cute. Now I'm gonna put a couple little pillows in the chairs. I have just this fall colored. It really doesn't have leaves, but I do like the colors of it for fall, so I'm gonna put that in one chair. And then this is a pillow that I got at Walmart last year, and I'm gonna put that in the other chair. Okay, I think that's all that I'm going to do there, and we'll move on to this other table beside the door. I'm going to start from scratch and try to figure out what I can put in the open space on the ground and what I can work on the table. Just let me play around with it for a little bit and see what I come up with. Okay, I have another mum here. I'm going to go ahead and put that on the table. I have this plastic pumpkin, and on the other side it has our initial on it, but for privacy reasons I'm not going to reveal my last name. I'm sure plenty of you that are watching know who I am and what my name is, but still, for now I'm going to do my best to keep it anonymous. But when I turn the video off, of course I'll turn this around facing front, but just know that our initial is on the front of this. Now I'm going to see if this little sign will work there. I like that it's a welcome sign here at the front door. I guess I should take this $3 sticker off of there before I put it out. Okay. I think it's okay, but I'm not sure it's working. If I do leave that little sign on there, where the table is sitting right now, it will be in the weather. But if I scoot it over closer to the front door, it will be under the roof. So let me first decide what I'm going to put on the table, and then I'll decide where the table needs to be. like that's too much green. If my mums were bloomed out in yellow, it would be okay, but I think it's just too much green on green and black. So I'm gonna find something else to set there. Okay, I don't think that's too bad. When I turn that pumpkin around, it'll have a big letter on the front of it. And hopefully my mums will start blooming out very soon. But like I said before, with it like this, I'm going to have to scoot that table a little closer to the door. Okay, that didn't exactly get it under the roof, but I think it gets it under the eave of the house enough that it'll be okay. Okay, I really like how the table's looking, and this might sound crazy, but I feel like there's too many big pumpkins. It's just too much. So I think I'm gonna move on to my little wagon and fill that up with the pumpkins and gourds that I have, and then I'll come back to this. Okay, so I bought 3 bags of miniature pumpkins. These were $3.98 at H-E-B. And then here are some gourds. And then just some traditional miniature pumpkins. So there's my pumpkin wagon. I think it's really cute. I have this little pumpkin welcome. I'm gonna see if I can stick that in the middle. I love it. Now I'm gonna pull you back out and we're gonna decide where to put these pumpkins. Okay. So here's how it looks right now. I'm going to swap the pumpkins and see what the wagon looks like close to the door. I think I like that a lot better. Now let's turn back around here and I want to start hanging some things on the wall. Okay, I bought this wreath at Ross. It was $21.99 and my intention was to add some color to this, but I haven't got around to that. I'm going to go ahead and hang it out here, and then later I'll spruce this up and tie it in with the rest of it with some ribbon. But for now, let's just see how it looks hanging on the wall. Okay, there it is beside the door. Usually I hang my wreaths to the left on the brick, but I'm afraid that's going to blend in too much because of the colors. Let me grab my pumpkin and then we'll see which one looks best. This is a little burlap pumpkin wall hanging. I've had this for years. It does really good in the weather, so I'm going to go ahead and decide if I'm going to put that beside the door or on the brick. Okay, let me bring you in closer. All right, we've got the pumpkin thing going on here. And then there's the wreath. I feel like the wreath is a little too tall over there. I'm going to swap them and see if that looks any better. I'm definitely gonna have to add some ribbon to the wreath because it's blending in with my wall. But I do like my pumpkin beside the door. For now, I'm gonna leave it right there. And like I said, I'm just gonna have to make that wreath stand out better with some ribbon. Okay, I almost forgot one more thing. Just to add some color to that corner. I really don't have anything else that I can put there. But now I'm gonna take you out into the yard because I'm gonna hang my yard sign and one more item and we'll be finished out here. Okay, here we are. We're out in the front yard. Pay no attention to the stuff in the driveway. That's the leftovers that I had. But this is the front. We have this lamp post and I used to always decorate that. I would wrap a fall garland around it, and at Christmas time, of course, I'd decorate it. But I think I'm just gonna skip that this year and keep things simple. I'm gonna hang my yard flag over here, and then I have one more little thing that I'm going to put over here on this side, and I'm going to be finished. Of course, it's little scarecrows. This bottom says welcome. This is my flag. It has the blue. Okay, I kind of like the scarecrow there. It fills in the space. Let me see. Let me try one more thing. It might look a little bit better. Okay guys, I can't get it in the ground. I'm in South Texas and everything is just so dry and desolate right now. So if I put it there, which I think I like it better there, of course I'll angle it out a little bit more towards the front, but I'm gonna have to wet the ground so that I can put that in place. For now, this is the finished look. Let me show you up close. Okay, I did add a few final touches. I had this weatherproof pillow that I got from Walmart. I just stuck it there on the bench with a mum, and my two pumpkins are there like before. My mums are looking really sad right now. It is just so hot here. So I did that. I had another mum that I just placed right here beside the door. And then over in this corner, I added the little pumpkin that I got at the Dollar Tree. These are the two pillows now. Okay, and there is the wreath. Actually, I think just adding that one bow, it really brought out the pine cones and the deeper colors in the wreath. And that'll tie it in with the orange that's surrounding it and these pumpkins. And if you're wondering about my welcome mat, I'm just going to go ahead and leave this here because I think it ties all of the colors together. So I'm just going to leave that there for now. You can see, I think it works well. Okay friends, that's going to do it for my front porch fall decor. And it sure doesn't feel like fall today. I am melting out here. It's in the upper 90s today. So, although it doesn't feel much like fall right now, I hope that the front porch is putting off some good fall vibes. If you're just passing through, I hope that you'll go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it and if it gave you any kind of fall inspiration for your home. Thanks again, friends, and I hope to see you soon in the next one. Bye!